Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing week 2 of the Leetcode weekly challenge. And apparently I have some code cash. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this premium problem. And it's a little bit sad that we kind of have one that I've done before, because I have not done a lot of premium problems. So whenever I see one, it's kind of sad. But yeah, so okay, so there's a ball and maze. When did I do this? It feels very recent. Is that this year? I guess this is this year. Huh, why did I do it? Was that a premium problem as well? But yeah, it seems like, I don't know. I just look at the ball and it kind of reminds me already. So I think it's just going to be the shortest distance for the ball to stop at destination. The ball cannot stop at destination, return -1. So yeah, I mean, I think this is a shortest path problem. There are a couple of ways to do it. There's a dynamic programming solution. There's a BFS solution. There's a dexterous or dexterous algorithm solution. There are a number of ways you can do it, and all of them are kind of, not super bad. I mean, you just have to kind of model the problem in a correct way, which is to say, if you kick the ball or roll it, whatever, that it won't stop. I think that's the thing that you have to be a little bit careful about. And as long as you do that, it's pretty fine, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have much to say about it, to be honest. Other than that, I was just thinking about what else I can leave off or whatever. Yeah. How do I want to do it? Which way should I do it? I don't even know. I'm just kind of lazy today, to be honest. Yeah, let's just do it with I think the tricky thing with, you want to do it with BFS or something like this, is that you don't simulate every time, because then that's how you get or that's how it's possible to get some like n squared type performance if you're not careful. And n here is actually not that big, but you can definitely still be careful about it. And okay. Do you have to stop at the go, or I guess in this case, nope, you have to stop at the go. Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, there are a number of ways you can write this, I think. So, yeah, let's get started, I suppose. Hmm. Yeah, I'm just gonna write it in a funky way, maybe with some memorization. Maybe that's what I'll do. Yeah, so basically, Q is equal to collection of that, right? Q dot append. Yeah, maybe I'll write it out a little bit. Right. And then now, just for buffer search stuff, you have a destination or distance, I suppose. Let's say none, or maybe infinity is easier. Right. Right. All right. And then now, after we append, distance is as y is equal to 0. And now, while length of q is greater than 0, we have nx, and y is equal to q dot pop left. Right. And then now we just have directions as well. We have just the 4 cardinal directions, right? We don't have any diagonals, right? I don't think so. And then now, yeah, just basic stuff. What am I doing? Right. And then now, and I want to do something like, actually, No, this is not what I want. This is muscle memory. I kind of wrote this, but what I actually want is maybe something like just do like get xy dx dy or something like this, right? And the reason why I want to do that is that now we can do a cache, right? Yeah, and you can make also, this is a weird way to cache it, but that's fine, right? So then now you can do xy dx dy, right? So then now if maze of xy is equal to a war, what is a war? War is it a 1 or 0? A 1. Then we return xy. No, wait. So nx and y is equal to x plus dx, y plus dy. If this is equal to 1, then we return. That means that the next thing is a war, so we return the current one. Otherwise, we return get of nx and y, dx dy still, right? And of course, we can just cache this. I'm a little bit lazy with the caching, so I hope you know memorization. So I'm just going to do the cache here. But you can also just like, just store the input and stuff like that. And that should be good for us to, it's a little bit lazy, to be honest. But this allows us to kind of do it all at one time to get the next item. Because every time, the second time you go to the same space, it'll be cached, right? So then now if the distances of nx and y, if this is greater than the distances of xy plus 1, then distances of nx and y is equal to this thing. And also you want to put it on the queue, right? So then now nx and y, and that's pretty much it. And then here we return -1 because we didn't stop there. But otherwise, if we stopped at if x is equal to ex, and y is equal to ui, and we, this thing let us skip the thing, so we don't do it. We return distances of xy, and you can actually return a little bit early as well, but that's fine. It's fine as long as I remembered how to write syntax stuff. Copy and paste laziness. Oh, I guess we just keep on going. Wait, that shouldn't make sense, right? You always have a wall outside. Oh, okay. I misunderstood the inputs. It's fine. Like, they don't actually give you the border wall, because that's what I thought. So that's why, because otherwise, yeah, I just thought that we were given a border wall. Otherwise, you just have to add a thing, which is that if not 0 and right. Because if that's true, and this, did I label that right? If this is out of the loop, we return an xy. Otherwise, if this is true, I guess that should be right. Oh, I think that's an or. Whoops. But yeah, maybe I'm off by a lot. What am I doing? Did I misread the problem? Oh, number of empty spaces. Okay, I misread the problem. So yeah, okay, I misread the problem. My fault. So then yeah, you can't do BFS. I mean, you probably can actually, but now is a different way, because then you don't have to worry about this weird thing. You can just do one space at a time, and then you just do a direction, right? Okay, fine. This is annoying. Yeah, maybe like the direction is -1, right? So here's D. Or maybe I'll just call it like 4. Right, so you have something like that, and the reason for just like we have one for each of these, and then one for like, I don't know, stop or something like this, right? So you can maybe have a enum that's like stopped or something if you want to prefer it to be a little bit more readable. And then yeah, this doesn't change. Well, this changed because it has to be an whatchamacallit, and D is equal to stop the direction. Then we can do right. Otherwise, okay, so if D is equal to stopped, then we can do this thing. And so solve the bonus question for y'all today. Hope y'all enjoy it. Right? Of course, we have to do something like we have to make sure that if and y and c and that this maze of nx and y is not equal to 1 and okay, and then now in that case we go to direction, right? So now new direction, we want nd in the enumerate as well. Yeah, I mean, this isn't done yet. I'm just running real quick to see if I have any weird issues like I did just now. Okay, right? Not enough numbers to impact. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay. Oh yeah, because this now needs right. Oh yeah, okay, still. Well, actually, I think this is this case because this is the one where you. Oh wait, no. I think this is fine, but it's a little bit awkward, maybe. All right, let me just run it real quick to make sure I don't have any. Okay, I mean, this isn't going to be right yet because we didn't do the normal case of rolling the ball. Because this is only with a stop. If it's not stopped, then we just keep going, right? So that means that distances of. Okay, so that means that nx and y is equal to x, maybe dx dy is equal to directions of d, and then now we can do this thing. Maybe there's a little bit of copy and paste, so maybe we can. Okay, I just copy and paste for now. I'm a little lazy. Maybe we could, you know, but yeah. And nd is equal to d, I suppose, because we haven't changed direction. Apparently I have some typo. That's not Gucci. Oh, I guess here, if it goes out of bounds or if it hits a wall, I think I'm. Then but otherwise, then that means that things have changed. So then now you want to actually it's a little bit awkward though for BFS. I'm worried about I'm going to get it wrong because when you stop, you don't use a thing, so you have to do like a pre-pen thing. So then now you have to do something like a 0-1 thing, which is kind of a little bit awkward, to be honest. Right, because now nd is equal to stop, right? And then now what's it called? A pen left, I think. nd is equal to stop. No, that's right. Oh, this may be out of bounds. So now we stop. So then you have this thing. Definitely a lot of cases to kind of get wrong on. If d is stop, we do this thing. Why is this going out of bounds? If this is and this is not equal to 1, okay? And this thing. What is nd? Nd should go from 0 to 3, so that's not it. X, Y, Z, and d is just stop anyway, right? X and Y shouldn't change. What is the error again? Which way is which one is it? Is it this one? Okay, so it's here. But how can it be? This is C and then nd is 5, right? In theory, right? Or like 0 to 5 rather. Print it out. That is weird. That's a lot of printing. This is 4, 4, 4, 5. 5 is the previous one, is it? We don't change it. Oh, this is NX and Y instead of, yeah, okay. Because we don't change, that's why. Alright, that was a silly mistake on my part. A lot of silly mistakes today. This is a tough one to kind of, you know. Let's give it a submit. Hopefully it's right. Hopefully I don't have any more silly mistakes. But still, a very annoying problem, a very easy one to get wrong. Also, just because I misread the problem. Definitely we can do this a little bit better, but I don't know. So what's the complexity here? This is going to be R times C times 5, which is R times C because we look at each cell once, well, or 5 times, I guess, one for each direction, one of the 4 directions and stop. And not all of them are reachable anyway, but we do allocate a space for them, so it's going to be R times C. In terms of that's the time and space because we can only pop and push each one into that place. And we only go look at up, down, left, right, so we don't have to worry about anything weird for most of those spaces. And most of those spaces actually only just do one direction anyway. So yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. And yeah, stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.